Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a magical kingdom ruled by a wise and just king. The king loved to share good food with his people and believed that a happy kingdom was built on a foundation of delicious meals. In this kingdom, there was a little girl named Mia who had a passion for cooking and creating delicious dishes. One day, while exploring the kingdom, she stumbled upon a secret garden filled with the most beautiful and flavorful fruits and vegetables. Mia was overjoyed and decided to use the garden's produce to create a new, delicious dessert for the king. She used the ripe, juicy berries to make a raspberry pie, the sweet, crunchy nuts to create a nutty bread, and the delicate, fluffy dough to make a scrumptious croissant. As Mia proudly presented the dishes to the king, he couldn't help but smile. The king praised Mia's creativity and talent, and declared that her dessert was the most delicious he had ever tasted. Mia was overjoyed and knew that her passion for cooking had brought her to the kingdom's most beloved princess. From that day on, Mia continued to cook and share her love for food with everyone in the kingdom, building a happy, healthy, and delicious community, one bite at a time.